Here are 12 incredible use cases for ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, I want to replace the current blackout shades here with new ones that fully darken the room. I already have new ones, but I don't know how to replace it and how to reach the window. I have a ladder, but I cannot lean it against this window here. And when I'm positioning the ladder in an A shape, it's not long enough. So what should I do? How can I reach the shades to properly replace them here?
Try getting a grabber tool to help reach the shades. If that doesn't work, here are some options. 1. Extension ladder. Borrow or rent one to get the height you need. 2. Telescoping ladder. These are versatile and can extend to various heights. 3. Ladder stabilizer adds stability and allows you to lean the ladder safely. 4. Step ladder with a helper. Have someone hold it steady for you. Scaffolding. Rent scaffolding for a stable and secure option. Professional help. Hire a pro if it's too challenging or risky. Always follow safety guidelines and consider getting help if needed. Good luck.
Next, use ChatGPT to learn a new program. Hey ChatGPT, here you can see a picture of me in Photoshop. But this is the first time I have Photoshop open. I have no idea what to do, but I want to increase the size of my nose. What should I do? Where should I click?
Hey Thomas, sure, I can help you with that. To increase the size of your nose in Photoshop, follow these steps. 1. Open the Liquify filter. Go to the top menu and click on Filter. From the drop-down, select Liquify. This will open the Liquify workspace. 2. Select the Forward Warp tool. On the right-hand side, you will see a toolbar. Click on the Forward Warp tool. It looks like a hand pushing forward. Make sure the brush size is appropriate for the area you want to modify. You can adjust the brush size using the brush size slider on the right. 3. Modify the nose. Use the Forward Warp tool to gently push and enlarge the nose. Click and drag on the nose area to increase its size. Be careful to do this gradually to avoid making it look unnatural. 4. Refine the changes. If needed, you can use other tools within the Liquify filter to refine your changes, such as the Bloat tool to expand areas or the Pucker tool to contract them. 5. Apply the changes. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click OK to apply the Liquify filter and return to the main Photoshop workspace. Remember to save your work frequently. Have fun experimenting with Photoshop. If you need more help, just let me know.
Don't forget, when you end your voice conversation, you have the written script of the voice conversation here. Next, use ChatGPT to spot fake content. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, are these pictures on this website here real pictures of this iPhone, or are these fake pictures?
Hey Thomas, those pictures on the Apple website are not real photographs. They're actually 3D renderings. This is a common practice used by advertising companies to create perfectly detailed and visually appealing images. These renderings allow them to highlight the product's design and features more effectively than typical photos. By using 3D models, companies can control every aspect of the image, from lighting to texture, ensuring the product looks flawless.
Next, use ChatGPT to build a website for free. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, please create a web page for me. It should be nice and modern with some pictures and of course with a headline and some input, some paragraphs in a table. So let's click submit and see what it makes. So you can see it gives me this HTML code and I absolutely have no idea what to do with it. So I simply ask what I should do with this code. Great, thank you. But what should I do with the code? I have absolutely no idea what I should do next. Where should I paste it? Okay, and it says step 1 is that I can put it in Notepad on Windows or text it on Mac. So, and I should create a new HTML file and save the file. And then open it in a file browser. And optional, if I want to host it really, I should get here one of these services, GitHub Pages, Netlify, personal web hosting like Bluehost or GoDaddy, and then upload this HTML file. So let's see what we get. I copy the code, I paste it into TextEdit on Mac, I save it as HTML. It's now here on my desktop. Let's open it and see what it brings. And boom, my first web page is ready. Wow. Maybe you say, oh, that doesn't look good. Hey, That's a real web page. That's really great. And if you want to customize it, like really add pictures, you can simply ask ChatGPT about the next steps on what to do. I mean, come on, I have a contact form, I can submit something. There's this table I was asking for. Great. Next, use ChatGPT to plan and fund your next dream vacation. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, I'd like to take a trip to Europe this fall or winter. I want to see Christmas markets and visit London, Berlin, Barcelona, Rome, and Paris. I live in California and work as an accountant. I earn a good salary, but living in California is expensive and I don't have enough saved for such a trip. I'm willing to work an extra 1 to 2 hours every day, 5 days a week. It's July now and I prefer to travel in November or December. Please suggest some ways I can make this dream come true.
That sounds like an amazing trip. To make this happen, here are some ideas to save up and make your dream trip a reality.
Great.
First, since you're willing to work extra hours, see if you can take on additional projects or tasks at your current job. This can quickly add up if you're getting paid overtime. Second, consider side gigs. Freelance accounting work, tutoring, or even gig economy jobs like driving for Uber or delivering food can help you earn extra cash. Next, cut back on non-essential expenses. Look at your current spending and see where you can save. Maybe skip dining out as often, cancel subscriptions you don't use, or find cheaper alternatives for things you regularly buy. Also, take advantage of any travel rewards or credit card points. If you have a travel credit card, see if you can use points or miles to reduce the cost of flights and accommodations. Finally, start budgeting specifically for the trip. Set a weekly savings goal and stick to it. Even small amounts can add up over the next few months. Think about these strategies and start planning your savings. Your dream European Christmas market tour will be worth the effort.
Okay, great. Next, use ChatGPT to make more money and work less. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, I want to make more money and work less. Please give me the 4 main takeaways that I can apply immediately to my life to make more money and work less.
1. The 80-20 principle. This is also known as the Pareto principle. It suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. In practical terms, identify the tasks or activities that yield the most significant results, the 20%, and focus your time and energy on those. For example, if 20% of your clients generate 80% of your income, prioritize nurturing those relationships or finding more clients like them. Parkinson's law. This law states that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Ferris suggests applying this by setting strict deadlines or time limits for tasks. By doing so, you force yourself to work more efficiently within that time frame. For instance, if you usually take a week to complete a project, challenge yourself to finish it in 2 days by setting a tight deadline. By leveraging the 80-20 principle to focus on high-impact tasks, and applying Parkinson's law to set deadlines and work efficiently, you can optimize your productivity and potentially work fewer hours while achieving better results.
Next, use ChatGPT to fix your problems in life. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, my 6-year-old son refuses to do his homework. He gets distracted easily and doesn't seem to be interested. How can I motivate him to complete his assignments?
Hey, that sounds tough. Kids can be a bit tricky when it comes to homework. Have you tried making it more fun? Sometimes turning homework into a game or incorporating things he loves can help. Maybe set up a reward system where he gets a small treat or extra playtime for every task he completes. Also, breaking the homework into smaller, more manageable chunks might make it less overwhelming for him. Do any of these ideas sound like they might work for your son?
Yeah, maybe. Please give me more examples. How can I gamify the learning stuff?
Sure thing. Here are some fun ways to gamify homework. 1. Treasure hunt. Turn his assignments into a treasure hunt. Hide clues around the house that lead to different questions he needs to answer. Each correct answer gets him closer to a small prize. 2. Homework bingo. Create a bingo card with different homework tasks. Every time he completes a task, he marks off a square. When he gets a line, he earns a reward. 3. Timer challenges. Use a timer to make a race out of completing assignments. See how much he can get done in a set amount of time. If he beats his previous record, he gets a reward. 4. Homework store. Set up a store where he can earn points for completed tasks and trade them for small prizes or privileges, like extra screen time or a favorite snack. 5. Character roleplay. Let him choose a favorite character and pretend he's that character while doing homework. Maybe he's a detective solving math problems or a wizard casting spelling spells. 6. Homework puzzles. Turn answers into pieces of a puzzle. Once he completes his work, he can put the pieces together to see the final picture. 7. Adventure story. Create a story where each homework task is a part of an adventure. He's the hero, and completing each task helps him advance through the story. These methods can make learning feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Which one do you think he'd enjoy the most?
Now, great, thank you so much. Next, use ChatGPT to boost your morning routine for more productivity. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, my mornings currently look like this. I get up at 7 in the morning, then I take a shower, brush my teeth, have a quick breakfast, and then I go to work at around 8 a.m. But I'm really not happy with this morning routine. It's stressful, it's like I feel I only get the necessary things done. Please act as Jeff Bezos and make my mornings more fun and less stressful and also more productive.
Hey there! Mornings can definitely set the tone for your day. How about we tweak your routine a bit? Try waking up at 6:30 instead of 7, so you have a bit more time. Use that extra half hour to do something you enjoy, like listening to music or reading a bit. Also, streamline your breakfast. Maybe prepare some overnight oats the night before so you can grab and go. Finally, add a short mindfulness exercise or a quick stretch before heading out. These small changes can make your mornings more relaxed and productive. What do you think?
Sounds great, but why a stretch? What does it do?
Stretching in the morning can help wake up your body and increase blood flow, which can boost your energy levels. It also reduces muscle tension and improves flexibility, which is especially helpful if you're sitting a lot during the day. Just a few minutes of stretching can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Ready to give it a try?
Yes, I will do this tomorrow in the morning. Next, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas on how to become extremely wealthy. Hey, ChatGPT, act as Jeff Bezos. I'm currently working as a product designer, earning $60,000 a year. I have skills in design, project management, and a bit of entrepreneurship. I want to increase my wealth significantly over the next 5 years. Based on my situation, what steps should I take to become extremely wealthy?
Hello there. It's great that you're looking to significantly increase your wealth. Here are some steps you might consider. First, leverage your current skills. You're a product designer with a knack for design, project management, and some entrepreneurial spirit. Think about creating and launching your own product. Identify a gap in the market or a problem you can solve uniquely. Next, consider furthering your education and skills. Learning about finance, investing, and advanced business strategies could be invaluable. This knowledge will help you make smarter decisions and spot better opportunities. Network relentlessly. Surround yourself with people who are where you want to be. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and seek out mentors. These connections can open doors to opportunities you wouldn't find on your own. Invest wisely. Start with safer investments and, as you grow more knowledgeable and comfortable, consider riskier ventures with higher returns. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, work hard, and keep learning.
And of course, it's very important to ask follow-up questions. For example, in terms of networking, you can ask specific questions. So how can I network with like-minded individuals? Like, I don't know anyone. And you will get advice step by step. Next, use ChatGPT to create detailed prompts. Detailed prompts can be very helpful to get better results with ChatGPT, but they are not fun to create. But you can use ChatGPT to create them. Hey ChatGPT, please create a detailed prompt for writing an essay about audio interfaces. So let's submit this. So, and here's the prompt starting from here, and you can see it's quite a comprehensive prompt. Maybe you think this is boring and you already have an idea in mind, you can simply change a word or two to adjust it more to your needs. Next, use ChatGPT to expand your horizon and gain new perspectives. ChatGPT can help you think outside the box. Hey, ChatGPT, I want to broaden my horizon and think from different perspectives. Imagine you're a sheikh from Dubai. How do you approach starting a YouTube channel to make money as a side hustle?
Hey, Thomas. All right, let's imagine I'm a sheikh from Dubai looking to start a YouTube channel as a side hustle to make money. Here's how I might approach it. First, I'd leverage my unique lifestyle and experiences to create content that stands out. I'd showcase the luxurious and unique aspects of life in Dubai, like tours of stunning locations, high-end cars, luxury shopping, and exclusive events. This kind of content would attract viewers from around the world who are curious about the opulent lifestyle in Dubai. Next, I'd focus on creating high-quality, visually appealing videos. I'd hire a professional team to handle filming and editing to ensure each video is top-notch. Given my resources, investing in good production value would be crucial. I'd also incorporate educational and inspirational content, sharing insights on business, investments, and the culture of the Middle East. Collaborating with other influencers and celebrities would help broaden my audience and add credibility to the channel. Monetization would come from multiple streams: YouTube ad revenue, brand deals, sponsored content, and perhaps even exclusive merchandise or a luxury lifestyle brand. I'd also consider offering premium content through memberships or exclusive behind-the-scenes access. Engagement with the audience would be key. I'd ensure to regularly interact with viewers through comments, live sessions, and social media, creating a loyal community. Lastly, I'd make sure to promote the channel through all my social networks and leverage my existing influence to drive traffic to the YouTube channel.
Next, use ChatGPT as your co-host for your YouTube show. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, please say thank you and make a short outro for my subscribers with call to action to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.
Sure thing, Thomas. Here you go. Thank you so much for watching.
Correct.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Your support means a lot.
Correct.
See you in the next one. How does that sound?
See you in the next one.